Last October.
Last October, yeah.
Yeah. One treatment a week. The results is 25 to 30% good. My hair is soon come to treatment 4 or 5 years ago, but because of my work, I can't sort of do it. The hours working extreme temperatures. Say in summer 35 to 40 degrees. Open the door 2 meters behind me, 35, 36 below zero. So my hair is cracking. It's been upset losing. It's not. I used to have very strong hair, plentiful hair, but because of the results of the temperature and the humidity of the freezers, the hair is gone. So the treatment, one treatment per week. I take two tablets in the morning, 2 tablets at night. No side effect for me. What else? My diet is always good. I didn't drink a lot. I didn't eat junk food. I look after always. But I left it a little bit light because I'm 67 years old, and when you getting old, it's hard to grow hair. But the results is good. I'm happy. What else? Is there anything else to say? Is anything else
Any questions for Tony?
to ask me a question?
Yeah, please.
I don't know if I can able to answer.
Did you change your mind?
No. I've got a question to Louis. Sometimes with my friends, I drink. Sometimes it affects the treatment.
Drink alcohol.
Alcohol.
I
Normally, I didn't drink.
don't think so. And if too much, I think that.
Sometimes overdo. Sometimes. Very few times, believe me. So I wash my hair 2 to 3 times a week. I sleep well. I've got no pressure now because I sold my business and I'm retired.
So Tony, when 5 months into the treatment, you've had 5 months of treatment. When did you start to notice the results? For example, in the mirror, did somebody else tell you, look, geez, your hair's looking...
Before...
When did you start to notice some difference?
Before Christmas.
So 2 months? Because
Two and a half months. Before the treatment, before I come here, it's a lot of hair comes out of my scalp.
Coming out,
Yeah. Now, hardly any. And my hair, it was thin, always thin. Now, I don't know what happened, but it's so thick, I can feel it. It's strong. I can see my hair is healthy.
So what do you think part of the treatment? What's even the important part of your treatment? Do you do everything else? Do you do everything by the letter? Your morning tonic.
Yes.
What do you think is imperative of the whole treatment? What do you
Yes,
think that you
I
can't
took
do
my
without?
tablets, my shampoo, 2 tablets in the morning, 2 tablets at night. In the morning, 1 treatment, and at night, around about 6, 7 o'clock, another treatment. Yeah.
Okay, the treatment here you do.
The treatment here, it's normal, every Thursday.
You spend an hour.
More than an hour. More than an hour. Yeah. I feel
The steam treatment plus the laser.
yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes. My hair is more thicker now, stronger, and the scalp on top, it start grows a lot. So I'm happy.
How old were you when you first started losing hair?
18 years ago. My work is extreme down at the fish market, fielding gummy shark and playing with the freezers 35, 40 below zero and early in the morning. So yeah, it's not very nice thing for the hair. So, but the hours I've been working, I can't afford to spend any time to treat my hair. Some other important things in my family to do. Fortunately,
Using fish oil.
it helps. It helps.
I'm not sure.
It helps. Eat more fish. That's for sure. You're not gonna go wrong. Eat more fish, less meat.
Yes.
Yeah, a bit of.
What kind of fish?
That's a good question. Because I've been 43 years on the fish game and I've read so many books and I talk to so many people. Good for our bodies, oily fish. If you go to buy fish and say $35, $40 a kilo, it doesn't mean it's a best fish for you. The best fish for us, for the human being, is sardines, which is very cheap. Salmon, mackerel, and yellowfin tuna. Barracuda, that's the best fish for our blood, for our vessel of the heart, for the brain, for the eyes. Yes. Answer your question? So you don't have to spend $40 a kilo to buy a blue eye or a ling or whatever, you know. Buy a kilo of good sardines, $7, $8 a kilo. It's much better for you. Barracuda, which is those days, it's not much kuta around. The olden days, back 60s and 70s, everybody eats kuta. Yeah, that's oily fish. Salmon, that's good. Yellowfin tuna, bit expensive, but it's good for you.